Welcome to QuietClip, the clipboard manager that remembers everything you copy, so you don't have to. Here's how it works. Copy from any app, open QuietClip with a short, and paste from your history. It's that simple. Need something you copied days ago? Just start typing and your entire history filters in real time. Pin the snippets you use most. Your IBAN, your email, your SSH key. They stay at the top, always one shortcut away. Looking for a specific type? Filter by text, code, links, images, or files. One click to narrow it down. Copy 5 things in a row, nothing gets lost. Open QuietClip and pick exactly the one you need. Accidentally copied something sensitive? No problem. Delete any clip instantly. Your data, your rules. And if you prefer the keyboard, QuietClip is built for that. Search, navigate, and paste, all without touching the mouse. QuietClip. Download it for free on the Mac App Store.